Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by writing down the sample value, the mean, and the standard deviation. Do that immediately. Once done, confirm the problem assumes a normal or approximately normal distribution, so Z applies. Next, decide whether you need P for above, below, or between two values. This determines which tail or area you want. Make sure units match, same units for mean, value, and standard deviation. This step prevents setup errors and gets you ready to calculate the Z. Now compute Z using Z equals value minus mean divided by standard deviation. Do the arithmetic carefully. You must preserve the sign because positive Z means above the mean and negative means below. That affects which tail you read. If you have two values, compute two Z's for the lower and upper bounds. Round to 2 or 3 decimals for consistent lookup, but keep extra precision internally to avoid rounding error. After this, you're ready to convert Z to probability. Use a standard normal table or calculator to convert each Z into an area. For a left tail probability, take the table value directly. For a right tail, use 1 minus the left area. For between, subtract the two left areas. Once you have the probability, interpret it in context, percent chance, proportion, or expected count. If the result looks counterintuitive, sketch the distribution and recompute Z's. Common mistakes are sign errors or mixing up tails, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.